If your flower bed looks like this, what advice you'll give it to me? Obviously, you'll say that, okay, go to Bunnings, buy some chemicals, kill these weeds, and dig it out, buy some soil mix, veggie mix soil, and it starts all over again. Well, that I had been thinking of doing for the last 2 years. Never had time or the stamina to do all that. Then I came across this organic method of doing my flower bed, and I started. Let us see how it will go. So, let us begin. So, first, we'll chop off all the weeds. We need not uproot them, which is a difficult task. We'll chop off all the weeds and let the weeds fall on the bed itself. And we will use weeds in such a way that it will be an advantageous thing for us and not a problem. Now we'll fill the flower bed with the weeds that we have chopped off. Next, fill the flower bed with any compost on the top of those weeds that we had chopped off. You can make your own compost, but just you can go and buy from Bunnings. This is how the bed looks like after we have filled it with the compost. Finally, I planted a gooseberry, chili plant, sown a few bean seeds, and a few sunflower seedlings. Let us wait and see how it looks after a week. Things are looking pretty promising after a week. See, sunflower plants are trying to stand on their own feet, and see, they're all looking so healthy. And my chili plant is doing very well. It even has a flower, and very soon we'll be having a lot of chilies at home. Gooseberry also is looking very healthy, and lots of seedlings are popping up all over the place for my beans. They are all over the place. So exciting to see. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.